Important updates into this video for all of you that you do not want to miss, because one of them is a brand new free airdrop. So we jump straight onto the laptop and we talk about what everybody can do right now, and that is to go and participate in the skate park testnet. All you have to do is through the link down below, you can sign up and connect and follow them on Twitter. You will be able to mint this NFT for absolutely free. It is on a testnet. And that is it. We are at the very beginning of the first step, which is absolutely amazing to be able to participate at this current time. And it is absolutely done. Now, StakeFi over here, or better, StakeFi is the liquidity provider. Skate Chain over here is a chain that would like to empower apps to run on 1,000 of chains with one state, which is really nice, and they are taking it seriously. They got 300,000 followers. They are heading to the SEABW official over here, which is showcasing the future of Web3 in Southeast Asia. They are all about delivering. They got over 500,000 users as of right now, and it is still a testnet. And we did see also how, for example, with CVEX over here, we did see how well we perform when we enter at the very beginning. We talked about CVEX yesterday. We are ranked #1 as a community, so GG to that. Ranked #1 out of 171,000. And we entered this at the very early stages when there was not even a testnet trading terminal yet. And we have all of these good achievements. By the way, for the CVEX, the link is down below. If you haven't joined it, you simply need to sign up. You will be landing to this page, and all you have to do is go and test out their trading terminal over here by simply completing trade long and short with every single possibilities out there, as well as simply going to get the achievements and collect these achievements, and you will be able to get more XP. And we are doing that on this channel, and we started this from the very early stages. But if you want to know more about this, I made a video yesterday, so make sure to go and check that out. Talking about the skate park, it is time that you go and enter the very early stages of one airdrop, and this is it. This could potentially be amazing. So the link is down below. Do not fade it. It's free. You have no excuses to not go and participate in this airdrop in the future. So get going right now. Next up, I want to talk about an update on something that we do talk about, which is the Satoshi DEX. They have mentioned over here that the stacking to the multi-chain is now live. And Satoshi DEX is a pre-sale. So if you would like to go and enter, the link is down below. And we are at round 14 of the pre-sale at 2 cents. The next round will be 2.4 cents. So it is increasing. And you have only 1 day and 9 hours left. Of course, with a pre-sale, make sure to do your due diligence research. It is risky. Absolutely, yes. It's like trading something that is not out yet. You are trusting the process. I personally put money into it, about $400 at the round 10 of the pre-sale. So I did put a little bit of money in it, but I am aware that I am risking it because it is a pre-sale. Yet they are delivering, they are making updates, they are posting, they are continuing to post. So we will see. But if you want to join, do your due diligence. I'm no financial advisor. The link is down below, and I did participate. Next up, I want to talk about the DYM proposal number 12, which has been approved. And this is for the NIM airdrop soon. As we see here, the Dimension software updated on April 23rd. The NIM network expected to submit the first prop for the rollup deployment, and the NIM airdrop as soon as the voting period ends could be for the DYM stakers and voters. As we see over here, this is the Discord message. Hey everybody, as history is about to be made with the first IBC rollup going live, we wanted to outline the next steps we expect to occur. In less than 12 hours, this was posted yesterday, Proposal 12 is likely to get approved, which has happened. After the approval, the software update is scheduled. Following the successful software update, the network will be able to receive rollup deployment proposals. The NIM is expected to submit the first proposal, and if it passes, the NIM will be able to deploy the rollup as soon as voting, and if all goes to plan, history is achieved and celebration can begin, which could potentially be, if you are a DYM stakers, let me know down in the comments below, but you are able to go and get this airdrop for the NIM token, which has been delivering insanely well, in my opinion, recently. Next up, we got the Prism airdrop coming to the Miltia holders. We did talk about this in the other video. Not to be confused, the Prism to the Prism, there is one with the S and one with the Z. So far, all we know for the one with the S, the Prism, the not so well-known Prism airdrop, is that TIA stakers, DYM stakers will receive it, DYM pools will receive it, NFT community will also receive this airdrop, and there's new potentially milk TIA holders will be able to receive this airdrop, which in my opinion is very, very good. So if you are a TIA holder, if you are a milk TIA holder, let me know down in the comments below. Next up, we got the Prism, the real Prism airdrop. Just a reminder from yesterday's video, which we did go and see. If you haven't seen that, there is a new let's say registration deadline to receive the airdrop, and you do need to register for the airdrop. So the link is down below. It's simply this one, airdrop.prism.zone, from the official Twitter of them, and you simply need to register. If you want to have a step-by-step guide, I have a video posted over yesterday, so make sure to go and call it. The thumbnail says Prism airdrop, so make sure to go and step it on the step-by-step guide for that as well, which is super, super important for you to be able to actually receive this airdrop. Otherwise, if you do not register, but you did delegate your token through Kepler, you delegate it to the Prism network, potentially you could not receive it. Now, I'm not saying it will, but they are making it clear here that you do need to register for the deadline, kind of like an anti-stable blocking mechanism whatsoever. And then we got an update from the ZK Casino. Do not go and participate in the ZK Casino. They have lost all their pre-sale funds. It is a mess. You can go and know more about them if you simply go on Twitter and you type it ZK Casino, but they really made a big mess. So if you are looking at this, if you ever wanted to look at this, please stop it, because they have made a big mess with their funds. They lost all the pre-sale. I don't know what they're going to be doing now. They are still trying to, but everybody is on them. So make sure to forget about this and move forward. But with that said, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And we got 2 very early stages testnet, so make sure to go and earn. And with that said, I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.